everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you ever ended a relationship and you're still feeling their energy around you, listen, it's time to remove the energy. It's time to cleanse it from around you. This is powerful because a lot of people don't know. Just because they left your life, that did not mean they did not leave their energy around you. So for today, we're going to learn how to do an energy cleansing to clear out that old, stale energy. But before we get started, this is a law of attraction metaphysical channel that gives you all types of information all in one spot. And listen, it is taught very easy. Don't forget to join the family by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell if you want more information just like this. I'm back, everyone. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about how to remove that old stale energy from around you? Now, listen, you guys, this is powerful because listen, every relationship you have and developed, you connected with them somehow, some way. And there is energy around you, either strong enough to be a cord or just around you in general. I mean, this can be in every room that you spend quality time with this person, especially your living room, your kitchen, your bathroom. So now listen, when it comes to the point that you broke up with someone or someone is no longer in your life, and especially if it ended bad, you need to really cleanse your home, cleanse your car, cleanse wherever it is that person was to remove that energy, to remove that connection. Now, today you're going to learn something that is very simple and it may take 5 minutes to do, but I'm going to give you a couple of tips on how to do this. Now, the only thing you're going to need is some incense, okay? And something to walk around with the incense so that it doesn't drop ashes on your floor. Now, I have here sage and cinnamon, but you can get any type of incense that you want to use. It could be myrrh, it could be frankincense, anything that is in the realm of cleansing your home. Now, only thing I said again is you're going to need is incense, something to walk it over. This could be a bowl or anything. And you're going to need some matches, okay? Now, to get this started, for me, what I would do, I would, before I engage in any activity like this, I might take a sea salt bath for myself. Why? Because I need to remove anything that's in me ahead of time. Now, listen, by doing the sage, you're also removing things from you also because you are in the home that is being cleansed. But to be on the safe side, you can use a protection bath. You can use a healing bath. Now, why I'm using healing is because this is a relationship that has now gone sour. You're no longer around these people for whatever reason. You think maybe you just wanted to move on. So you need to heal from that relationship, okay? So a lot of the things that I'm showing you is part of healing, okay? So a sea salt bath is going to help you. This right here is a healing bath. Then I have here some candles that you might want to burn while doing this. I have here a purification candle by Lelokin's Awens, okay? I also have here a healing candle, again blue, representing communication and healing. And I also have a protection candle here if you want to use that. If you don't have Lelokin Awens, you are welcome to get yourself a black candle to remove negative energy. You can also use a blue for communication, again for healing. And if you don't have any of these candles, please just get a white candle. That's all you need. Now, again, these are extra tips that I'm telling you for your ritual to do. Now, how are we going to do this? What you're going to do, you're going to take some matches. Make sure you're safe, everyone. And you're going to light the bundle. This is all that there is, okay? Once you light this bundle, you're going to move around in your home. Now, as you walk around your home, you're just not going to wave the sage around the home. You're going to say something to release any negative energy. Like, as I walk around my home, I am now releasing Tim's energy from my surroundings. At this point, I enjoyed our time together, but at this point, it's time for us to end our relationship. So with this energy cleansing, I'm walking from room to room to release his energy, her energy, whoever's energy we're speaking about. You go into the bathroom, you walk around to every area that he may have been or she may have been to release that energy. I don't care if it's the laundry room or it's the stairs or whatever, but you walk around clockwise in every room that person may have been. Now, okay? It is very important, okay? We're going to go clockwise. And again, you're releasing the energy. So you're saying, as I walk around my home, I am releasing the energy of Tim from my house. I enjoy the time we spent together. But at this point, there is no need for this energy to remain in my home, on me, in my car, or anywhere else. And you're going to keep saging the home in every area you walk in, cleansing it from any energy that he may have left in your home. And you're stating that you're releasing it. You're releasing it so that you can move on. So you're going to say something again, like, as I sage my home, I am releasing the energy of Tim from my home. As I sage my home, I enjoy the time that we spent together, but this relationship has now ended, and I send nothing but blessings to him and for his family. At this time, it's time for me to move on and open the doors for positive energy to come into my life. At this moment, I release this energy. I release it and I let it go. Now, where are you going to do this? You're going to do this wherever this person may have been. Again, this could be the backyard, the balcony. It could be your kitchen, your bedroom, your bathroom, your car. Any place you feeling energy of this person, the area needs to be cleansed, including yourself. Okay, you guys? Now, after you finish walking around your house, cleansing your house, what are you going to do with the burning incense? Again, we can use this many times, everyone, and it only takes a little bit of the burning to get it around your home. You're just going to tap it on whatever it is you're using to control the ashes until it smothers out. So now listen, you guys, I just gave you a powerful way to cleanse out your ex's negative energy, your family, your friends, whoever you just ended a relationship with. This is the way to cleanse their energy. And again, you guys, say a prayer, send them the best of luck, no matter what they did, and let it go. Again, everybody, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. If you want more information just like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. If you want any of the products that you've seen in this video, please look in the description. I also offer coaching and reading, whatever you